Want to fresh Instagram feed? Clear your search history and reset your suggestion in a few taps for a personalized experience. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Justin from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to reset suggested content on Instagram. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your screen. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your account. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. From the menu, select your activity. In the Your Activity menu, scroll down and tap on the recent searches to view your search history. Tap the Clear All button at the top right of the screen. A confirmation message will appear. Select Clear All again to confirm your action. Instagram uses your search history to suggest content. Clearing it resets this part of the algorithm. So this is how to reset suggested content on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.